Now, let me show you how to solve this GCSE math question. It's interesting, right? You have been given a universal set U with the numbers 1 to 12. And then you were told that set S contain perfect squares. So S contain perfect squares. From 1 to 12, what are the perfect squares? We need to understand what a perfect square is. A perfect square is a number whose square root leaves no remainder. That is, a number that will give you a positive whole integer. For instance, the square of 4 is 2. 4 is a perfect square. The square of 9 is 3. 3 is a perfect square. Another way of doing that is, when we say 3 times 3, it gives you 9. 2 times 2, it gives you 4. 1 times 1 will give you 1. So 3, 2, 1 are the perfect squares between 1 to 12. Therefore, set S will contain 1, 4, 9. You must use this comma to separate your elements. We have found set S. How about set E? Set E is said to be even numbers. So set E must contain only even numbers. Between 1 to 12, with both numbers inclusive, what are the even numbers? We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 itself, because both numbers are inclusive. So these are the elements of set E. Now, we are going to draw the Venn diagram. So you have been given this. In the question, you were given a box like this. Here comes a circle here, and there's another one here. So this denotes your set S, and this denotes your set E. This is what we call intersection. That means elements found both in S and in E. If you consider the set S and set E, what can you find in both of them? It is 4. So 4 comes in here. That is the only element that is common. So you write it here. What it means is that you can find it in S as well as in E. Now, what are the two things remaining? So I can cross off this if I want, because it's taken. And I'm left with 1 and 9. So write that 1, 9. Always use a comma to separate your elements. So S contains 1, 9, and 4. For E, we have taken away 4. So what are the remaining elements? Write them on the section of E, which are 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are the elements that make up E when you add 4 as well. So you can see what this means is that 2, 6, 4, 10, and 12 are only present in E but not in S. What this means is that 1 and 9 are only found in S but not in E. However, this 4, which is an intersection, means that it occurs both in S and E. What are the things remaining? We have taken 1, 4, 9, 2, 6, 8, 10, 12. The remaining numbers between 1 to 12 will then be written outside of the circle. What are they? We have got 3, 5, 7, and then 11. So these numbers, when counted together, must be equivalent to 1 to 12. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is how to complete this Venn diagram. So this is the universal set. That means all these elements make up this universal set when added together. That's how to solve this problem. Then there's a bonus question there, 6b, that says the probability of picking okay, I can't remember what the question is, but the probability of picking E intersection S. So is only one element, right? That becomes 1 only. And how many numbers make up the universal set? There are 12 numbers. So the probability becomes 1 all over 12. That's how to solve that problem. You can see it occurred only one number. You write that 1 over the number of what? Outcomes. So possible outcome divided by total outcome. That's how you find probability. I hope you have found this video useful. Please do well to share and comment and like so that others as well can benefit from what we are doing. I'll see you next time. Thank you.